Did you know that 4 out of 5 online searches are locally based? Make no mistake, local search is evolving and the demand is growing fast. And get this, local business future depends on its online reputation, now more than ever. Just take a moment and think about the evolution of search. First, there were the yellow pages, then Google. Now it's all about local presence. What's the commonality there? It's ease, convenience, and speed. Are you starting to see the trend here? You better believe more and more folks will be searching locally using their mobile devices as we march forward. The question is, will you be one of the smart ones to pioneer and profit from this trend? Or will you sit by as everyone else already is capitalizing on this opportunity? And the best part, people are shifting locally too with the help of millions of mobile devices. They're searching locally, they are buying more locally, and certainly they are eating a lot within their local area. What types of businesses can benefit from being the first ones to get featured into the 3-pack maps of Google? Each and every type of business. Just think. Restaurants, coffee shops, hotels, motels, bed and breakfasts, dentists, and so much more. The possibilities are virtually endless. But none of that matters if you're not the one enjoying those benefits. And let me tell you that 97% of the business types mentioned above are already listed on Google Maps, but most of them are unoptimized or even unclaimed by their rightful owners. This is actually good news for you, though, because you get to be the hero of this very story. With our 3-step simple system, you can bank anywhere from $500 to $1,500 or even a little more by helping all sorts of local businesses to claim and optimize their Google My Business page while sending them thousands of new customers and traffic step. Just follow the 3 simple step process and let the software do all the hard work for you. Find unclaimed local leads. Our system does the heavy lifting. Generate and download a professional PDF optimization report. Again, this is all done for you. Charge a handsome $497 fee to optimize their business using our done-for-you emails provided inside. That's it. Simple, right? Don't overcomplicate this. Instead, become the hero that these businesses are looking for. It's easy if you use our system. With Mapify 360 platform, you basically get everything you need to start a legitimate local agency with a recurring business model that you've been waiting for. Become the hero business owners have been hoping for without pain or hassle. No guesswork, no cold calling, no confusion on how to help local business. Whether in a rural area, small town, or big city, every small business needs more customers or clients, right? Google Maps and Google My Business is an opportunity no one else is talking about because Google Search shifted its algorithms to show more localized results. The people that can make the most money are the ones who capitalize on change, and that means you could be among the ones who profit from this the most. Will you snatch this opportunity before it's too late? Local businesses need your help now more than ever. With this, you can help them. With this, you can have a business and make all the money you like. All you've got to do is click the buy button to get started. What will you do? Watch opportunity pass you by, or will you seize this opportunity bull by the horns and click the buy button right now? Everything you need to succeed is included on the other side of the buy button. Once the payment is complete, you'll get instant access to everything. And when I say everything, I mean exactly this. A cloud-based solution to find you unclaimed and unoptimized Google My Business local leads. The ultimate Google My Business optimization blueprint. Done-for-you email campaigns to close more local businesses. Our top 100 local business niches that convert for fast profits. The complete outsourcing cheat sheet. And more surprise bonuses you'll find out as soon as you join. With Mapify 360, there's no experience necessary. We give you everything you need to start, even if you're a complete newbie. Now, the total value of this could be more than $497. I'm sure you'd agree, but action takers that act fast right now get access to everything for just a fraction of its real value. And of course, there's no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you have absolutely no risk and no excuses to not give this a try. If you want to be among the first who capitalize on this opportunity, then hit the buy button and get immediate access to one of the easiest online marketing systems that you've ever come across. By this time next week, you will already have signed your first local clients, and I'll be waiting for my thank you email from you. Don't make me wait too long, though, but hurry, the price, it will increase. And hey, even if we charged $4.97, it would still be worth it because you'd make that back in just one deal. Obviously, if you don't want to pay that much, just click the buy button today, right now, while it's at its lowest price it will ever be. And if you are ready to take charge of your financial situation, then hit the buy button now, and I'll see you on the inside of the members area just minutes from now.
Hey, and welcome to Mapify 360 2-minute walkthrough and demo video. Now in this video I'm going to show you in 3 simple steps how you can use Mapify 360 to boost your profits, get more clients, start making money with local businesses. Okay? Now the first step would be to find a business that you want to work with. So all you have to do is just navigate to Business Finder, just enter your niche and enter your city, and just one click you will find all the leads you need to get you started. And boom, we have the results. Okay, so these are all local businesses found by Mapify 360, and you can see their location, you can check their Google Map ratings, and also you get all the business details right off the gate. The next logical step would be to select all and add these leads to a particular campaign. Just select the campaign and add your leads. Step 2, navigate to your campaigns, and here you are going to get all the leads that you have inside your campaign right now. The second phase of Mapify 360 would be to find the businesses that are unclaimed and unoptimized. The second phase is really simple. All you have to do for your leads is just check their Google My Business status. They can be claimed like this one, or they can be unclaimed like this, and then all you have to do is just update the status of that business to unclaimed. This means this business has not been claimed by the rightful owner, and you can be the first one to help these businesses claim their business. To generate a Google My Business SEO report, and you get this cool and really efficient Google My Business report that you can send to your customers. You can scroll down and see all the valuable information that you're gonna get in this report. We also list the top 5 competitors of any leads that you have in your campaigns, and you can even download the reports as PDF versions and you can send them over to your customers. So you see how easy it is with Mapify 360 to find all the customers that really need your help, that are having their business unclaimed or unoptimized, therefore they're never going to rank in that Google Tripap map section that all the local businesses need in 2019. If you want to be ahead of the curve in 2019, I really hope I'm going to see you inside the members area of Mapify 360 and help you out to close more clients in less time with our platform. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you inside the members area really soon.